Juices for glowing skin. Having fresh, natural juices can help get glowing, healthy skin. These two juices are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration to nourish your skin from within. Beetroot, carrot, and orange juice brightens skin, improve circulation, and gives a natural glow. Ingredients: beetroot 1 small, detoxify and enhance glow. Carrot 1 medium, rich in beta-carotene for radiant skin. Orange 1 large peeled, high in vitamin C for collagen. Method: blend all the ingredients with water if needed, strain optional, and enjoy. Coconut water, cucumber, and amla juice. Hydrate smooth and even skin tone. Ingredients: coconut water 1 cup, keep skin soft and hydrated. 1 cucumber small, peeled, refreshed and cool the skin. 1 amla small or 1 tablespoon amla powder boosts collagen and vitamin C. Method: blend all the ingredients, strain if needed, and drink fresh. Drink daily for natural and glowing skin. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, so please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.